Make your life easy by learning Holy Quran. So today we are going to start second lesson of Noorani Qaida. In the first lesson, if you all remember, the video is still exists in our playlist. We talk about the one by one words Alif Ba Ta. Now today we are going to start lesson number 2, and in this lesson we combine two or more than two words. Okay, so starts. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف ألف لام ألف Lam Alif. So the lesson number 2 is combined of two or more than two letters that resides in the first. So if you look at the word, the first one is Lam and the second one is Alif. So that's why we combine Lam Alif. Same is here. Lam Alif Lam Alif. The next Ba Alif Ba Alif. The next Lam Alif Lam Alif. The next Lam Lam. The next one Lam Alif Lam Alif. The next Lam Ha Lam Ha Lam Ha. The next Lam Alif Lam Alif. The next Ba Lam Ba. It's three words. Ba Lam Ba. The next Kaf Kaf. The next one Kaf 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 Ba Kaf Ba Kaf Ba Kaf Alif Kaf Alif. So if you want to learn Quran from our institute, our all contact information in below description. Jazakallah for today. The rest inshallah on the next video. Inshallah see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.